Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will show you how to create CB logo design in Gimp. Click on a file and create a new document. Create a new layer. Select a rectangle tool and click on rounded corner. Fill in the color and click on expand from center. Click on the cut. Click rounded corner option and click expand from center. Create a rectangle and select area and cut. Click edit and paste. Create a new layer and select flip tool. Select a scale tool. Click a rectangle tool and select this area. Click on edit and press cut. Merge down this layer and create a new layer. Select a rectangle tool and create a rectangle. Click on edit and fill in the color. Select none. Merge down this layer. Create a new layer. Select rectangle tool and create a rectangle. Click rounded corner and fill in color. Click expand from center. Click on edit and click the cut. Click round corner and expand from center. Click rectangle tool and select this area and cut. Click on scale and move. Click on free tool and select this area and edit, cut. Click on scale tool and moving. Click rectangle tool and create a small rectangle. Click on edit and fill in color. Create a rectangle. Select this area and cut. Click on free tool. Mark down this layer and select this area. Cut. Again this select and cut. Select this area. Help from free tool and click in edit and cut. Click on edit and paste. Create a new layer. Click on selection tool and select this layer and choose red color. Fill in color. Create a new layer and click on circular tool. Create a circle. Fill the color in circle and low opacity and move this layer and click on edit and cut. Create a full capacity this layer. Click on duplicate layer. Click on flip and flip this layer and select scale tool. Merge down this layer. Select on rectangle tool. Create a rectangle. And cut this layer. Click on fuzzy tool. Select this area and choose this red color Fill in the color. Click on text tool. CB logo design. Merge down this layer and select background for logo. Click on scale tool and increase the size. Click on filter and tap lighting and shadow and create a drop shadow. Increase capacity. OK. And select this image. Click on scale tool and increase this size. Click on alpha to selection. Select invert and click on edit and cut. Click on normal. Select this grain merge. Merge down this layer. Click on filter and tap lighting and shadow and click on long shadow. Select this black color and select style fading. Create a logo. If you like this my video, please like my video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks.